Empower yourself to dispute inaccurate collections on your Equifax report and pave the way for a stronger financial future. To begin challenging inaccuracies on your Equifax credit report, start by visiting Equifax.com. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already once you're in. Locate and access your credit report. Carefully review each section, paying special attention to any collection accounts that you believe are reported incorrectly. Your next step is to collect compelling evidence that supports your claim. This might include proof of payment, communication records with the original creditor or collection agency, or any documentation that demonstrates the debt is not yours or has already been resolved. Having solid evidence is key to a successful dispute. Navigate to the Dispute or Challenge an Item section on the Equifax website, which is typically easy to find. Proceed with filing your dispute by completing the online form for each collection account you wish to contest. Accurately enter the account number as it appears on your report, the name of the collection agency, and a clear, concise explanation outlining why you believe the information is inaccurate. Stick to the facts and be precise. Upload all the supporting documents you've prepared to your dispute submission. This is your chance to present your case effectively, so ensure all files are clear and readable before finalizing. Thoroughly review all the information you've entered and attached to prevent any mistakes. After submitting, Equifax will review your dispute, and you can expect a response, usually within 30 days. By successfully disputing errors, you can see a positive impact on your credit score. Remain dedicated to the process, manage your dispute diligently, and take control of building a credit profile you can be proud of.